This is a really impressive monitor stand. Like, it looks like it was meant to be with this monitor. You can see that you can rotate it in both directions. You can also tilt it up and down. You can also change it from landscape to portrait mode, but here it is in the back. You can also adjust the height, though adjusting the height is a bit more work. So let me go ahead and show you. And here's just a general look at some of the pieces that you'll need to put together. Now, the stand itself is made out of glass. It's got these 3 holes. It's a really, really nice looking stand. So the first thing you want to do is mount the VESA mount onto the back of the monitor like this. So it does come with the 4 screws, or you can use the screws that come with your monitor. Then you'll assemble the stand kind of in this manner. Put the foam on above the holes, and then after that you will put this metal bracket up above and put the screws through. And this next part is a little bit tricky, but you'll need to balance the bottom part while you screw that through. Then you can put the rubber feet on, then you can secure that to the monitor stand itself. And you also have these parts for helping with cable management. All in all, it's a really nice monitor stand. You can see you can adjust it. Now, if it is too loose, it does come with some Allen wrenches, so you can use the Allen wrenches to tighten it up a bit. But overall, I've just been really happy with this. We have a bunch of these monitors without stands, so I got all of the stands, and they just look absolutely fantastic. You should expect to take about 10 to 15 minutes to put the monitor stand together.